Grade, welcome to today's lesson. This is April 26th. Today we are in Unit 18, Lesson 1. This unit is all about reviewing things you already learned. So today we will review all these words and all these words. It's important for you to know all these words for your test and before you move on to 7th grade. Okay, so we will have our lesson today. We will have a lesson on Monday, Tuesday, and Tuesday. And then we will be finished with our YouTube video lessons, okay? We will have live class today and on Tuesday and on Thursday. And then we'll start something new next week with doing school online, okay? So let's get started. This is Unit 18, page 100. So all of these are items that you learned already. Here they are all written out. So glass, glass, plastic bottles, okay? So first, I will read the item and you point to it. Okay. Clothes. Clothes. Library. Library. Newspaper. Newspaper. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Chocolate. Chocolate. Oil. Oil. Plates. Plates. Olives. Olives. Figs. Figs. They're right here. Castle. Castle. Museum. Museum. Glass. Glass bottles, right here. Glass. Plastic or plastic bottles, right here. Wood. Wood. Napkins. Napkins, right here. Bread. Bread, right here. Sugar. Sugar, here. Zoo. Zoo. Funfair. Funfair. Metal cans. Metal, right here. Rice. Rice, down here. Biscuits. Biscuits. Butter. Butter. Trash bag. Trash bag, right here. And sweets. Sweets. Okay, so these are all the words. Here it says find some sweets, find some bread, and find a museum. Practice saying all these words. Practice finding the sweets, the bread, and the museum. And then practice all of the words. So here they are written out as well. So you can pause the video, look at your book, look at the screen, practice saying each word, practice not looking at the screen and trying to say each word, okay? You can do it. If you have questions, let me know. But all of these are from the last few lessons, so not too hard. Now, I'm going to say a clue, and you find the item. For example, it's a food word that starts with B. It's a food word that starts with B. So look at your page. Where is a food word that starts with B? Well, bread starts with B, or butter starts with B, or biscuits. So if you said those, you are correct. Number 2, it's a food word that starts with C. Where's a food word that starts with C? Chocolate starts with C. It's an item to put trash in. It's an item to put trash in. A trash bag, right here. Trash bag. Try to answer the question before I give you the answer. Number 4, it's a place to read books. It's a place to read books. The library, of course. Number 5, it's a place to swim. The swimming pool. Number 6, it's a place to see animals. The zoo is a place to see animals. It's an item to put food on. What do we put food on? Plates. Plates. It's a liquid. What here is a liquid? Oil is a liquid. Oil. Liquid means like water, that kind of consistency. It's not solid, it's liquid. Okay, there are 3 sweet foods. What are the 3 sweet foods? Biscuits, sweets, and sugar. It's a food word that starts with R. Rice starts with R, rice. There are 3 items to drink liquid out of. What are the 3 items to drink liquid out of? Look up here. Metal cans, plastic bottles, glass bottles. And lastly, it's something you wear. Something you wear. Clothes, of course. Okay, so practice these words, and then let's start on page 101. These are words that are verbs, like here and here, or adjectives, like here. So remember, a verb, like these, it's an action that we do. For example, I read, I drink. The verb is read, drink. It's the action that we do. Every sentence has a verb. Every sentence. These are adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. Nouns are people, places, or things. If I want to say, you know, there's a person coming to my house. Person is a noun, but if I want to say something about that person, I could say a kind person, a nice person. So kind, nice, horrible, beautiful, clean, dirty, dangerous, safe, all of these words describe or give more information about a noun. Okay, let's review the verbs in these pictures. This verb is invited. Invited. Is there a picture here that makes you think invited? Well, this one makes me think invited. Let's see. This one? Because Because she is writing. Remember, an invitation is something that says, come to my house on Thursday at 3 o'clock. Invitation. If you tell someone to come to your house, you invite them. So the verb is invite, but it's in the past tense, so we add ed, invited. And this is the picture for invited. Invited. Number 2, cooked. The main verb is cook. It's in the past tense, so we say cooked. Like yesterday I cooked. What picture makes you think of cooked? This one. Whoops. See how she is in the kitchen? She cooks. Cooked. This verb is started. Started. So started means to begin. I think your verb in Kurdish is das beginnen. In English, start. Or in the past tense, started. I don't see a picture that makes me think started. Opened. This verb is opened. Do you see something that makes you think opened? This one makes me think opened because they are opening a door. Opened. This one is played party games. So the verb is play, past tense played, and we're saying what they're doing. They played party games. So that's probably this one. They're at a party, they're playing games with balls. This one is danced. The verb is dance, past tense, danced. Where are they dancing? I don't actually see. This one might be dancing also. They might be dancing. This verb is finished. Finished. So to finish something is to be done, complete. Tamam, finished. This verb is walked. Walked. Where is someone that's walking? She looks like she's walking. The verb is walk. It's in the past tense, so we say walked. This verb is talked. Where do you see someone that talks? Maybe this one, she is using her phone. She might be talking to someone. Talk is the verb. Talked is past tense. This verb is phoned. This would also be phoned. That means to call someone on the phone. Phoned. Danced, we already had. Watched. Watched is, usually we would say we watched TV, but it's any time that you're looking at something with your eyes. Like I watch the kids play. I watch you do your homework, okay? Where is watched? It looks like here she is. She watched TV. This one is listened. Listened is what you do with your ears. Here she listened to music. The verb is listen, past tense, listened. And the last one is played computer games. So played, just like we said played party games, we say played computer games. And here she played computer games. So I will say and you repeat, invited, cooked, started, opened, played party games, danced, finished, walked, talked, phoned, danced, watched, listened, played computer games. Now let's look at a few of these adjectives. Remember, an adjective describes, gives more information about a noun. Repeat after me. Horrible, beautiful, clean, dirty, dangerous, safe. Horrible is like the opposite of beautiful. It means ugly, it means bad, it's horrible. Let's find the picture that makes you think horrible. It's kind of hard. I think I would say these stairs, or maybe this picture is horrible. It looks like there is leaks in the roof. It does not look good. Horrible. But I would say this bedroom is beautiful. Beautiful. Clean. I would say the bedroom is clean. The living room is clean. But this picture looks dirty. So clean is when there's no dirt. Dirty, of course, is if there is dirt. Dangerous is the opposite of safe. So dangerous means risky, like these stairs are dangerous. If you walk them, you might fall. It is dangerous to go outside when there is coronavirus. It is dangerous to, cough and not cover your mouth. So danger, if we want to describe something, we say it is dangerous. These stairs are dangerous. Then we have the word safe. These stairs are safe. See, these stairs look good and strong. They will not fall. These stairs look dangerous. They look like they might fall. Okay, so these are all adjectives from past lessons. On page 100, there are some more subjects to review. So here are all the words that we learned. Here are some more subjects: drinks, school subjects, illnesses, picnics, studying, and accidents. These are all subjects to study. So if you have time, look back at your book and remember some of these categories: drinks, school subjects, illnesses, picnics, studying, accidents. For example, you could get a piece of paper and write down all the drinks you can think of: water, juice, orange juice, soda, milk. Okay? Then you could get a paper and write down all the school subjects you can think of: history, science, math. And then write down all the words you can think of related to picnics, like the food you eat at a picnic: meat, salad, bread. Maybe the animals you see: butterfly, or the scenery, mountains, or the ocean, the beach, or the colors you see: green trees, brown hill, brown hedgehog. Okay, so I don't have, there's some homework for you. In your activity book, you can do page 72, parts 1, 2, and 3, and it just reviews some guessing words. Try to guess which word fits these spaces, a crossword puzzle, and then writing some more words that you can remember. In addition, to study these words if you do not know them, look at your book, write down all the drinks, all the school subjects, and all the picnics that you know. And if you want to study even more, you can do also illnesses, studying, and accidents. So the point of this lesson isn't to learn something new, but to make sure you know all the words you learned this year, okay? So I will see you later today for the live class. Keep studying hard, you're doing great.